Hello everyone, welcome all in today's session of AutoCAD learning. Today we will discuss the extrude tool and its usage in details. So extrude tool is a case of 3D modeling. So we have to check our workspace setting to be in 3D modeling style. Next, because it's a 3D case, we have to change our visual port style from top to southeast isometric. Okay, and for better view we can pan it further as per the requirement. Now we will discuss about the extrude tool. You can see the extrude tool in the upward ribbon here at the modeling section. The extrude tool is a tool which can create a 3D solid or a 3D surface based on a 2D or 3D curve. If it is a closed curve, it can make solid or surface, or if it is an open curve, it only makes the surface along the curve. Now we can see for using the extrude tool, we need a bounded curve. We need a 2D curve here. So I am using a pentagon using the polygon tool over here. Number of sides 5, center of polygon 10, 10, inscribed in a circle, and radius 5, and I want another, again number of side to be 5, and I am giving it in 20, 20, and again the radius is 5. So these are the two bound curves over here. We will use the extrude tool to build up a solid and a surface. Now let's see. Now we will use the extrude tool to build up the solid and the surface for the drawn two segments. Now you can go to the extrude tool by clicking over here or giving the command extrude, extrude. So just click on it, and you can see down here it is saying extrude, select objects to extrude or mode. First select the object. Right now I am selecting the first object over here, and then click on the mode. This is the mode which will select whether to make it solid or a surface. You can get these two things. For solid you can give SO command and enter, and for surface you can give SU command and enter. For the starting I am giving it solid. I want to make a solid, so click on solid. My mode has been done, and then specify the height of extrusion. You can give the proper things over here like direction, path and taper angle. I am just giving the height over here. Let's say the height is 8. So my first extrude has been done. It's a solid. Let's check it is a solid or not. Just change the visual style to shaded with edges. Okay. You can see the solid properly, and for the next we will do the extrude of surface. Just select the object for extrude, click on mode, click on the surface or give the command SU, and specify the height. I can specify the height here. It's again 8. You can check the difference between these two. This is a solid and this is a surface. You can see. You can check it in different visual styles also. Just check series of gray. Also you can check in different view style. You can see this is a hollow. Only the walls are there in a thin way and the rest part is hollow, and here there is nothing hollow. There is a complete solid thing over here. So this is the difference of solid and surface modeling using the extrude tool. We will discuss the other properties and specifications of extrude tool in the next video. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next video.